Tim Reviews here with my 933rd DVD review mini channel. Today I'm viewing the DVD menu of the 2004 release of Thomas and Friends, It's Great to Be an Engine. That's right, so we're going to play all stories. Now we're going to pick a story. Happy Halloween!
So let's get started.
Timothy.
It's great to be an
Happy
engine.
Halloween.
7 different stories for you to enjoy. Press the red arrow button.
Too Hot for Thomas, Emily's Adventure. More stories. Choose a Halloween pencil. You Can Do It, Toby. Gordon Takes Charge. More stories. Edward the Great. James Goes Too Far. More stories. This October. Percy and the Magic Carpet. Previous stories. Maine. Fun and games.
It's time to leave the station. So let's get started. Hi,
Read to Race. If You Were an Engine. Cargo Challenge. Character Gallery. Read Along. Songs and more. Sneak Peeks. Day Out with Thomas. Angelina Ballerina. Magic of Dance. The Wiggles. Cold Spaghetti Western. Bob the Builder. Snowed Under. Rubber Dubbers. Finbar the Mighty Movie Star. Menu. Web Fun. Maine. Well, guys, thanks for watching. And remember, send me requests for any reviews you want to see. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.